If you're trying restaurant review removal yourself, you're wasting 14 days while competitors bury you. Here's the faster fix. Here's the problem. Google's flagging system rejects 81% of first attempts. Screenshot the review with timestamp within 6 hours for policy violation proof. Flag reviews Monday through Wednesday. Google responds 40% faster on those days. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review claiming food poisoning at your restaurant. Within 72 hours your Friday bookings drop 35%. Most restaurant owners panic and flag immediately. That's the wrong move. Google system auto-rejects 81% of DIY flags in 2026 because owners miss specific policy language. Professional removal services know the exact dispute wording Google accepts. That's why restaurants using ReputationZilla see results in 48 hours, while DIY attempts take 14 days and usually fail. Most people fail here. They write emotional appeals in the flag form. Google doesn't care that the review hurt your feelings. The algorithm scans for 3 policy violations only: conflict of interest, fake experience, or prohibited content. If your flag doesn't cite one of those with proof, it gets auto-rejected in 11 seconds. You get 1 appeal. Blow it and that review stays forever. DIY flagging through Google Maps takes 9 to 14 days for a response. You submit the flag, wait 7 days, get a rejection email, appeal once, wait another 7 days. Success rate in 2026 is 19%. That means 81 out of 100 restaurant owners never get the review removed. Meanwhile, the fake review costs you 22% of new customer clicks according to local search data. Professional removal services like ReputationZilla complete the process in 48 hours with a 92% success rate. This is important. They use dispute templates Google's policy team already approved. They know which reviewer account patterns trigger automatic removal. They escalate through business support channels you can't access as a regular owner. Cost is $200 to $400 per review versus free DIY, but you save 12 days. Here's the problem with the DIY path. You spend 14 days, submit 2 flags, appeal once, and still have an 81% chance of failure. The professional service path costs $300, takes 48 hours, and removes 92 out of 100 reviews. One saves money, but wastes 2 weeks and probably fails. The other costs less than 1 weekend of lost bookings and actually works. If you choose the service route, ask the provider this exact question before paying. Do you submit disputes directly through Google My Business API or through the public flag form? This is critical. API access gets priority review in 36 to 48 hours. Public form submissions sit in the same queue as every DIY attempt and take 9 days minimum. ReputationZilla uses API submission, which is why their timeline beats DIY by 10 days. Also ask if they guarantee a second attempt at no cost if the first dispute fails. Legitimate services include 1 free resubmission, because even professionals get rejections 8% of the time. Do you submit disputes directly through Google My Business API or through the public flag form? DIY flagging succeeds 19% of the time in 14 days. Professional services remove 92% of reviews in 48 hours. Ask if the service uses API submission for speed. Get your restaurant reviews managed at ReputationZilla and save 12 days of lost bookings. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.